Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you again how to develop a game and how to learn coding. Basically, first of all, we're gonna be learning wall coding because Roblox Studio is based on that. So basically, let's just wait for Roblox Studio to load. Okay, good. So I'm pretty sure I've been teaching you what JavaScript are. So we just made a folder. It's not necessarily. Let's just rename the folder to, what should we name it? Maybe to subscribe. Okay, guys, subscribe. Okay, so first things first, script. So you'll be asking me, what is the difference between script and local script? Local script is a script that defines a variable. Here, let me just do something here. Just 2 hours later. Okay, these are actually these. So what's string? String is a sequence of characters. Character is a variable, like a variable. So a boolean is a fundamental data type. It only has its two values, true and false. For example, it has snowed, when in reality it is snowing. It's true because it is. For example, if it's snowing and I'm telling that, oh, it is raining, it's false because it's not raining. Get it? So, equal and equal shows an equality. Yeah, as you can see, a local script defines a variable. Yes, not this type of local script, but this type of local script. And variables are stored to use data and referenced through the code. It has two types, global variable and local variable. Global variables can be used anywhere in a program. Anywhere. In JavaScript and everywhere. But a local variable, can only be referenced in the block where they're defined. For example, if they're defined to be, for example here, if they're defined to be here, it's a local variable because they're defined to be here. They're not just here because the code won't work. Understood? Okay, numbers stored are floating points, doubles, internal. It's like, let me just show. This equality goes double. And yeah, as I told you, boolean is a fundamental data type. Yeah, we'll just figure out keywords: and, break, do, else, and false for function, if, and local, nil, not, or repeat to return, and more. Then true, until, while. Okay, some of these words you don't need to know. Because it's like English. You know what's not. You know what's for. You know what's and. You know everything. So let's just say, what is a function? A function is a variable. No, a function is a value with the same right as a conventional values like numbers and string. And this is an operator. So this is an operator. You have to write an operator. So when you write this inequality, it shows that you're operating the system. Okay, let's just see. Some of these, yeah. And also, you got the function. If not, okay, function is a value with the same rights as, it has the same right. It's like strings. You may be asking, what is a string? A string is a sequence of characters. Like. What can we say? I just don't know. Okay, for example, subscribe, like, and follow. Or we can do this: Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, and etc. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and etc. We'll just take a look at these codes. Okay, if a parent, characters, and parent name. By the way, these are all I did. This is I wrote just, I just wrote this to prepare, so I didn't copy any from Google or anything, because I know scripting. Why should I copy it? Basically, guys, look. What do you think this code does? What is server script service? What did you say? Server script service is used for registration and management of the server script service. For example, here's a look. Server script service, you join, player joins. Server script service, data load. What is data? Data, for example, in simulators, for example, if you have 12 coins, you rejoin the game and you have 12 coins. Player status loads. Data. 12 is data. Understood? I hope you did. So player kick message. For example, player kick message. Player kick message. We're unable to load your data. Please rejoin. It kicks the player stating this. If the server can't load your data, it's gonna kick you and say please rejoin. Understood? I hope you did. So let's just take a look at some of the stuff I did here. Basically, let me just go to, local script. Local script, it defines a variable. Keep in mind, a variable are used to store data when they can be referenced through the code. It stores data, global and local. Okay, for example, let me just write in local script. Keep in mind, this is not local script. Keep in mind, this local. You may confuse local, this isn't this. What I mean by local script is it defines a variable. This is used for scripts and local scripts. It can be used, it's used in Lua. Okay, local script defines a variable. Don't confuse. For example, local, let me just give you an example. It defines a variable, yes, Monday, okay, 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all pounds. Okay, let me just write pounds. Keep in mind, if you don't write this, your code will be deactivated. Nothing will work. It's like nil. Your code won't work. You understood? I hope you actually did. Basically, let me just do this. I think we're over, but I'm gonna teach you something new right now. So these codes are very basic. These codes are sometimes used, for example, they're used to store data, local, to store variables, and etc. If you don't mention these, for example, when you create a simulator, if you don't know what server script service, I'm sorry, you don't know how. If you know everything except server script service, you will not succeed. You will not succeed because server script service is the thing that's holding your game up. It's the thing that data loads. Without it, you won't have a GUI that uploads every coins you get or per click. Understood? I hope you actually did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!